Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw the spider bot from Spidey and his amazing friends. It's gonna be coming down this time from like a thread. It's gonna be real cool, easy, simple for beginners. So if you're a beginner, stick around, okay? And stick around for the whole video because it's only like 7 minutes, something like that, maybe shorter. Very short video, so let's get started immediately, all right? First thing I'm gonna do here is I'm going to draw it's basically a circle, but I'm gonna start with this side over here. Curve over here on the left side. I think this is the easier way of drawing like something circular. So do with there, just draw these big old parentheses signs, right? Relatively easy. And I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna connect these two. Not quite. I'm gonna kind of aim at each other. I gotta leave a space there for the web that's gonna happen. Gonna continue. This one I am gonna close off. Curve right here. Right on. I'm gonna go over here on this side and I'm gonna draw the eye now. So I'm going here and I'm gonna curve down. Go over here on this side. Curve. Over on this side. Underneath. For the other underside of the eye, and I'm gonna go here and curve underneath this underside of the eye. Right on. Now I'm gonna go over here just to make a little bit of space on the inside here, and I'm gonna do the same curve. Right? That same exact curve right here. Right? Same thing over here on this side. I'm making a version there. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fill this area in. We just created kind of like a bar there, like a bar of like dark. And I'm gonna fill it in because I got a marker here. And that's what I can do with it. If you have a pencil, you can kind of do the exact same thing as well. You can kind of use the side of your pencil to shade it in. I got a fan on, by the way. If you have this type of marker, turn a fan on, do it in an area with a lot of air. It's really important that you do that so that you don't inhale some of the fumes, because I guess this marker's pretty bad for you. Yeah, good stuff. I love this. The Spider-Man cartoon is awesome, by the way, even though I know it is for whatever. It's on Disney Plus. It's basically not for my age range, but I think it can be for everybody, to be honest. But it's a really cool cartoon. Okay, now we're gonna draw the bottom and we're gonna have his legs kind of dangling a little bit, okay? So I'm gonna go over here, start a curved line here, maybe around the eye area, curved line here, connect it. Okay. And I'm gonna draw the feet here first, and they're kind of like curve at the top, and they're gonna pull down here. And I'm gonna keep that right there. See that? That kind of shape? You can draw that shape a lot. Gonna go over here on this side. Curve. Down over here. And curve right there. Okay? Now we're gonna draw another foot back here. Curve down. Up here. Another one. So essentially it's the same shape, right? One behind the other, kind of like onions or something. And one over here. Same thing on this side. We're gonna go over here, curve down, up. Same thing. Oh, how would that? It would be part of it would be hidden behind there, and one more over here. So we have the actual kind of legs, the leg part. So what I'm gonna do over here is I'm gonna pull in. Oh, so it's in the design. Curve in. Right here. Curve, curve. Over here in this area, I'm gonna draw circles on the top. Again, it's part of the design of the mech. And I'm going to kind of fill those dots in. Sorry if I'm going too quick. Let me know if I'm going too quick. Quick is relative though. I understand some people are like, it's funny because sometimes I'll get people say you're too slow, and some people say it's like, you're too fast. But if you want to do anything quick, please quickly subscribe to the channel. If you like learning this kind of stuff, absolutely hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. It basically lets you know what I'm posting. So for example, when you subscribe and click the bell notification on your feed, you're gonna see like how to draw, you know, whatever we're drawing that day, whether it be Godzilla or Sonic, a different version. It's gonna show you, and that's the useful part about it. There's no downside to it at all. It just kind of shows you like, hey, do you wanna draw this on your feed? And if it does, if you don't, then so be it. If you do, great. So it's cool to kind of have it in their back pocket there. Down over here for the leg, up, down over here. There's a bit of a ball shape there as well in that joint. Pull up. Same thing over here. Curve, pull up. Down over here. Circle, pull up. Line over here. Line down. Curve. Line down. Line down. And it's kind of showing those connecting, right? So now the most important part of this is going to be, or at least this particular drawing, it's going to be the web coming up. So I'm going to draw a straight line up. Curve over here maybe, like there's going to be some webbing in there. Continue to go up a little bit more. Curve over here, go up. Down over here. Curve, line, line, line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here. Line, line. And you can draw lines all the way over here, just kind of for the webbing, right? The webbing is kind of made up of different materials and stuff like that, but like different shapes. Mostly it's a stick with a straw in it, right? And then a lot of lines in it, and there's a couple of lines dangling around it, and that's going to make it look like pretty much the web that we're looking for. I want to thank you very much for watching. Absolutely, you guys are awesome, and you're the reason I'm here, and it's fun to do this. I just went to San Diego Comic-Con, and I am super pumped and excited, and I'm very excited to kind of do stuff. I'm going to try to put stickers on here for sale pretty soon. I don't know when, but very, very soon, because I just want to do that. The other thing I can do is you can fill in this area if you'd like as well. And if you want to fill in something cool, wait, oh, that's not a, I was trying to transitions, but I was gonna say hit the like button if you like it. I was gonna say, but I couldn't transition to that, sorry. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. For skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.